So we were just at like, you gotta talk louder. Okay, so we were just at a Sportsman Warehouse, and
okay,
it was
I'll just get
perfectly
to the point.
fine. Stop it.
Yes.
And it was perfectly fine, like the weather. And then as soon as we come out to the car, this entire sky is like dark, and it starts completely raining.
It never rains in the desert, and of course when we're here, like it rains completely
Yeah.
when we're here. Yes, ma'am.
Did anybody take the loaf of bread out? How much bread does everybody have?
That's a lot of rain, because like it's a,
Just so what? Because I took out half of
when it rains, it like rains a whole year's worth of rain in one time. So like it like just started and it's already like pouring, and there's water just like pouring through the streets. It's like, that's a lot of rain at one time.
I love this part. Just quiet.
So we got back on the road, and this time it's in the RV. We're going to a, what is it?
It's called the Dream. It's called the Dream Center.
It's called the Dream Center,
It looks like it.
and there's a helicopter that's landing. So we're going there, and we're gonna stay there tonight, and then we're gonna right now we're parked on this side of the highway because when we hook up the van, it doesn't always go all the way, so we always have to like stop, and then we have to go out there and tighten the straps.
It does go all the way, but you gotta tighten it after you drive it.
Yeah, it tightens all the way, but you have to tighten it after you drive. So we are doing that now, and we'll be on the road soon. And the rain didn't stop until like 7 o'clock, and it started at like 6 o'clock. Probably not, but it lasted a long time, and it finally stopped, and we're on the road now. So, yeah. Hi, Sydney! Okay, so we were driving, and we saw a really pretty spot. It's not as pretty as it was before, but it was kind of like a sunspot in this mountain, and it looked really, really pretty. I don't know if I'm going to be able to see it as well now, but okay. And I don't know where it is anymore, but it's way back there now. Yeah, you can't really see it at all.
But look ahead, that's going to be pretty when we go over the,
Oh, yeah.
or around the bend, I think.
Yeah.
Hey, there's 148 acres for sale if anybody wants it. Whoa, look at that, you're above the clouds.
Whoa. It's really dark on the screen.
Johnny keeps the screen like right.
Oh, that's true. Never mind. Yeah, that is really pretty. Really pretty. So,
Hurricane Valley, gateway to the parks.
Gateway to what?
The parks.
okay. So right over there, the cloud is like covering the mountain, but it's like just on the top of it, and it looks really, really cool.
Almost like it's spilling over the edge.
Yeah. The sunset is going, well, the sun is going down, and that's really pretty. And we just hit a hill. Over there is a bunch of mountains. They're really pretty mountains. They're like, yeah, they're really pretty. And And then,
See that
Come over
sunset?
here?
Yeah, I know.
yeah, we do.
Get a picture of it too.
Doing like all of these mountains. And then we have to like go up this mountain in the RV. It's really hard.
Oh, you missed the scariest part.
I did.
Yeah, like going right over that cliff. It was like a cliff. We were like right on the edge.
Oh,
It was kind of the scariest on the side of, oh, here's a little bit.
yeah.
It's not quite as scary as the other one was, but.
Get the sunset again.
Ah!
Whoa.
Okay, maybe a little scary. OMG, I'm on the outside. I don't like it.
Okay. Here's some
Look for mountain goats. Wow, look out here.
That's really pretty.
See it?
Yeah.
Whose ears are popping?
Not mine.
If you didn't let her not, you're great.
Mine aren't. This is really pretty coming through here.
Wow.
Okay then.
That was chewy.
Yeah. Do it again.
I don't know if I can. I'm smiling.
It'd be so cool if we looked up and there